This circuit is again using the Arduino Uno microprocessor, and I wanted to illustrate with this how you can have the Arduino receive inputs from sensors such as, here's a photocell, and that of course registers light intensity, and this circuit tells the servo motor to respond to this input by producing a certain output. So based on the light intensity that this photocell receives, this servo arm will move to somewhere on this arbitrary scale, which I have from 0 going to 5 going to 10 there, and there's the black colored side of the servo arm, which is the indicator, the side which indicates the light intensity. So I'm going to plug in my handy 9-volt power source, and I want to show by that this Arduino is self-sufficient. Once it's programmed, it doesn't have to be plugged into the computer to function. So right now you can see that the servo arm is showing a value between 0 and 5 on my arbitrary scale. Now as I cover this photocell with my finger, you can see that the servo arm actually is showing a value close to 0. And then as I uncover it, the servo arm again registers a slightly increased light level. And then as I shine a light on the photocell, you can see that the servo arm moved all the way to the 10 mark. And then again as I move the light away, we have a decreasing light level, and then as I cover the photocell, it goes down to 0. So you might say, well, where is this, how would one make a practical application out of this? Well, if the light level was a certain number, you could incline a solar panel towards the sun to be able to attain a better amount of radiant energy. Or you could have this, instead of being a photocell, you could have it being a temperature sensor, and as the temperature goes up, you could have the Arduino produce an output where a fan motor kicks on and produces a cooling effect. So there's a lot of applications to the Arduino, and the beauty is in its capability to receive inputs and through a program produce specified outputs.